勁啲啊！
好勁啊喂！
咩事啊？
搶銀包佢哋。
The story begins in San Francisco, during a state-sponsored martial arts competition. After an impressive performance alongside his childhood friend Dragon, Jimmy starts to feel there's no real future for him in their troupe. Determined to stay in America illegally, he secretly plans to disappear. At the airport, just before their return flight to Hong Kong, Dragon discovers Jimmy's plan and tries to talk him out of it. But Jimmy refuses to listen and storms off. On his way out of the terminal, Jimmy gets into a confrontation with airport officers, and in the chaos, he accidentally kills one of them. Moments later, Dragon returns to the check-in area only to find he's missed the flight. As he tries to figure out what to do next, police mistake him for Jimmy, the suspect in the officer's death, and arrest him. However, on the way to the police station, the patrol car crashes on a bridge.
Hey you! Come back here! Hey, hold it! Hey you!
Dragon manages to escape and plunges into the river below. Exhausted and hiding from the law, Dragon stumbles upon a group of thugs harassing a Chinese couple in the alley. After taking down the thugs and the police closing in, Dragon meets Yao, a delivery driver for his uncle's grocery store. Grateful for his help, Yao offers Dragon a place to stay and later helps him get a job at the grocery, where Dragon keeps a low profile while evading the citywide manhunt. Meanwhile, Jimmy has fully immersed himself in the criminal underworld. Working for a powerful mob boss, he quickly earns a reputation for his ruthless efficiency in eliminating rival gangs. Impressed, the boss entrusts him with a major drug deal, but the operation goes terribly wrong when New York police ambush the transaction, and the shipment disappears. Coincidentally, Yao, making a delivery nearby, stumbles upon the missing merchandise. Seeing an opportunity to get rich, he hides it in his uncle's grocery store, unaware that his uncle later mistakes the white powder for damaged detergent and uses it in the washing machine. Through his underworld contacts, Jimmy learns that Marco, a jealous associate, tipped off the police to sabotage him. Marco sets Jimmy up in a meeting with their bosses, but the plan backfires. Jimmy is forced to watch Marco executed in front of everyone as a warning to those who betray the mob. The boss then gives Jimmy one last chance to redeem himself, find the lost shipment and clean up the mess. When Yao finally arranges a buyer for the goods and expects $1 million payoff, he's devastated to discover the truth: his uncle washed away the entire stash. Soon after, Jimmy's men trace the missing product to the grocery store. They storm in, beat the old man mercilessly, and destroy the place. When Dragon returns, he's horrified to see his old friend Jimmy leading the attack. The confrontation explodes into a brutal fight. Outnumbered, Dragon makes a daring escape with the help of the same girl he once saved in the alley. They hide at her apartment, but Jimmy's crew tracks them down, sparking another violent showdown. In the chaos, another assassin team, sent by Jimmy's own boss to eliminate him for losing the shipment, arrives.
I'm sorry, my friend.
Bloodied and beaten, Jimmy redeems himself at the last moment, saving Dragon by holding the assassin's leg, giving Dragon an opening to finish the fight. After taking down the mob, Dragon learns that the girl has already arranged his passport. At last, he can return home to Hong Kong and reunite with his family. Subscribe for more dramas like this, and don't forget to like this video, it really helps the channel grow.